Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an NVMe SSD. First, ensure all your critical files are backed up to an external drive or cloud service. This is a crucial first step. Next, collect your tools. Typically, a small Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap are sufficient. Finally, power down your computer entirely, unplugging the power cord and any peripherals to prevent electrical hazards during the process. Now, let's get to the physical installation. After opening your computer case, identify the NVMe slot on your motherboard, which often has a small screw nearby. Carefully unscrew and remove the old NVMe drive, storing it safely. Take your new NVMe SSD and insert it into the slot at about a 30-degree angle, ensuring it's fully seated. Then, gently push the drive flat and secure it with the small retention screw you removed earlier. With the new drive physically installed, it's time for software setup. Boot your computer and navigate to Disk Management to initialize the new SSD. You'll then need to format it, typically using the NTFS file system for Windows. For data transfer, you can use cloning software to migrate your operating system and files from your old drive. Or, if you prefer a clean start, perform a fresh installation of your operating system directly onto the new NVMe SSD. Finally, let's verify everything is working perfectly. After booting, confirm that your new NVMe SSD is recognized and operating as expected within your system. If you migrated your operating system, double-check your boot order in the BIOS or UEFI settings to ensure it boots from the new drive. Install any specific drivers for your new SSD to unlock its full potential. Now, you can enjoy the impressive speed and responsiveness of your upgraded computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.